Photographing the turmeric plant can be a rewarding experience, capturing its unique features and vibrant colors. Here are some tips to help you get the best shots. Preparation. Equipment. Use a camera with a macro lens to capture detailed shots of the rhizomes, leaves, and flowers. A tripod can help stabilize your camera for clear, sharp images. Lighting. Natural light is ideal for photographing plants. Shoot during the golden hours early morning or late afternoon for soft, warm light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can create strong shadows and wash out colors. Composition. Focus on details. Capture close-up shots of the rhizomes, the texture of the leaves, and the intricate structure of the flowers. Background. Ensure the background is uncluttered to keep the focus on the plant. A shallow depth of field using a low f-stop can help blur the background, making the plant stand out. Angles. Experiment with different angles. Shoot from above, at eye level, or from ground level. Side lighting can enhance the texture and form of the plant. Technique. Macro photography. Use a macro lens to capture fine details. Ensure your subject is well lit, and your camera is stable to avoid blurring. Depth of field. Use a shallow depth of field to isolate the plant from its background, or a deeper depth of field to capture more of the plant and its surroundings in focus. Exposure. Adjust exposure settings to ensure the bright yellow of the turmeric rhizomes and the green leaves are accurately represented. Post-processing. Enhance colors. Use photo editing software to enhance the natural colors of the turmeric plant, making the yellows and greens more vibrant. Adjust contrast and brightness. Fine-tune the contrast and brightness to highlight the details and textures. Crop and frame. Crop your images to improve composition and remove any distracting elements. Inspiration. Growth stages. Document the turmeric plant at different stages of growth, from planting to harvesting. Cultural context. Capture the plant in its cultural and agricultural context, such as in a garden, field, or during traditional harvesting practices. Artistic approach. Use creative techniques like backlighting, silhouettes, or black and white photography to add an artistic touch to your images. Would you like any additional information on specific aspects of photographing the turmeric plant? For